Welcome to doassignment-ca. Here is the problem. The graph of f of x equals 2x is shifted up 5 units to create a new function g of x. Write the equation for g of x and identify the y-intercept of the new function. Then describe how the slope is affected by this transformation. Now let's work through the solution step by step. We start with the parent function f of x equals 2x. In slope-intercept form, the slope is 2 and the y-intercept is 0, so the line passes straight through the origin. A vertical shift upward by k units means we add k to the entire function. Since k equals 5, we add 5 to f of x, giving us g of x equals 2x plus 5. To find the y-intercept, we substitute x equals 0 into g of x. We get 2 times 0 plus 5, which equals 5. So the y-intercept of the new function is the point 0, 5, exactly 5 units above the original y-intercept. Looking at both equations side by side, f of x has slope 2 and y-intercept 0, while g of x has slope 2 and y-intercept 5. A vertical shift does not change the steepness of the line at all. The slope stays exactly 2. Only the y-intercept changes. Here we can see both lines graphed together. The blue line f of x equals 2x passes through the origin. The orange line g of x equals 2x plus 5 is parallel to it. Same slope, but shifted up 5 units. It crosses the y-axis at 0, 5 and the x-axis at negative 2.5, 0. To wrap up, g of x equals 2x plus 5. Its y-intercept is 0, 5. The slope remains 2, completely unchanged. The big takeaway is that vertical translations only move the line up or down, they never affect the slope. Visit doassignment.ca for more study tools, AI learning support, and online tutoring.